Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can connect your Instagram account with Metricool. So to connect your Instagram account, open your search engine and sign into your Metricool account. Well, to connect your Instagram account, either you can find Instagram here on this sidebar, or you can go to connections under your profile menu. Well, when you try to connect your Instagram account, it gives you a message that Instagram account you want to connect should be either a creator account or a business account, which means Metricool does not allow you to connect a personal Instagram account. So first, convert your personal Instagram account to either a creator account or a business account. Well, I will provide the link of my tutorial in the description where you can check whether how you can convert your personal Instagram account to a creator account. Anyhow, I've already converted my Instagram account and I'm clicking on connect. And then log in with your credentials. Here you can save your login credentials if you want. Well, if you want, you can turn off the options you don't want Metricool should have access to. Then click on allow. Now your Instagram account has just been connected with Metricool. And when you go back to the Instagram section on the main page, you will be able to see the stats regarding Instagram. And it's just updated the current stats of my Instagram account. Anyhow, with the free Metricool account, you will be able to see the stats for 3 months without watermark. And this is how you can connect your Instagram account with Metricool. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.